The Indian stock market reversed a losing streak to open 2% higher, and Nifty gained over 200 points on the back of strong performance by market heavyweights RIL and HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank contributed nearly 80%. RIL interestingly saw its biggest single day gain in nearly a year, ending almost 8% higher. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Nifty level predictions for tomorrow, which will help my subscribers make a lot of money. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have the Nifty chart for today. So as you can see, the pivot for tomorrow is 11,038. You would notice interestingly that today's high, which was roughly around 11,112, is equal to the point of intersection of the candle with this resistance line connecting swing highs. So for a short period of time, when there was a strong uptrend over the past week or so, this became a support line. Now if we talk of higher level resistances, 11,050, 11,100 and 11,150 are going to be very, very important resistances. On the lower end, 10,750, 10,830, 10,930 and 11,000 are going to be very, very strong supports. So when I talk of the resistance point specifically, these are at the lows of these successive candles which were formed when Nifty was at an uptrend. So these are concentrating around the range of 11,050 and 11,150. And if you talk of the support points which I just mentioned, these are concentrating around these candles just before Nifty made a sharp downturn. So the high of these candles correspond to the support points. And if Nifty is even able to go below the levels of 10,750 and 10,600, then the June highs of 10,553 along with the high of the second largest candle in June of 10,484 will act as strong support. So that's it for today's Nifty predictions. Hope you make a lot of money tomorrow. Please like, share and subscribe. It'll mean a lot. Thank you so much.